What's up, guys? Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of water from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we look at market performance for the past 24 hours. yeah. After that, we look at prices in details. And right after that, we look at our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? But before that, let me set this down. Yeah, I know, right? I should have like first of all try to give you guys a hint, like when I was going to do these live streams. But I think it's something I'm trying for the first time, and as everything else, you're going to have your ups and down moments and trying to figure things out. Unfortunately, YouTube does not let you do it offline, so I have to go live and figure these things out. But yeah, that's one thing that I learned, and I have to let you guys know, like, okay, this is something I'm trying to include in the lineup. I'm trying to do at least once or two live streams a week or something like that. Okay, so anyways, yeah, that is the whole mess right there. So I'm trying to figure it out. So with more practice, I think I'm going to get better at it. Okay, but anyways, yeah. you guys see how the things are working, right? Again, you see people, they are basing their entire investment based on somebody either working on Kaspa or not longer working. I mean, things are man, I don't know how to put this, okay? Because people are different, guys. I told you guys the other day, me, when I'm frustrated, okay, I go to the gym. I go lift weight, or I go run on a treadmill. Sometimes I just grab my car, I just get in my car, put some music, and just drive around, and that's how I calm down. Okay, other people, they will probably take to their social media and deal with it that way. Okay, other people, they maybe have a good time with their girlfriends or whatever. People are different. That's the bottom line. The bottom line of this that I'm trying to say is that people are different and people deal with stuff differently. So who am I to tell you how to live your life? I'm nobody to tell you what to do, what not to do, how to do it, when to do it, or if you want to do it. Okay, so yeah, like I said, people kind of look at what you post online and they try to tell you what to do, which is not fair. It's not good. Okay, I'm saying this because of Shy. Okay, Shy, one of the developers on Kaspa. I did not invest in Kaspa because of Shy or because of anything else. I invest in Kaspa because there is a lot of potential to make a lot of money from it, to go from zero to a millionaire status. That is why. I'm not agreeing entirely of if way of handling business. Okay, if I can tell you. Okay, I don't agree entirely up to it. But you know what? It's a free world. People have freedom of speech. People can say whatever they want to say, as long as it doesn't make me bleed. It doesn't cut me. It's just words. Okay, guys, if you don't like what somebody's posting, it is very simple. Just keep scrolling. Okay, you're gonna find something that you like when you keep scrolling down. Or maybe you're a kind of person that doesn't have any good thing in their life, and you wouldn't find something that you like. But I guarantee you're gonna find something. So you sitting here telling me that I should base my investment based off whatever a developer is quitting or is not quitting, that doesn't make any sense at all. I'm telling you, it doesn't. And that's how people lose a lot of money. Okay, that's how people lose a lot of money, because like Kaspa has a lot of potential, and that potential is going to show up when you least expect it. Because right now, as we speak, things are heating up in that camp. Things are heating up. I was gonna make a detailed video about Kaspa's EVM, how everything is working. But like I said, I want to be part of it. I would like to show you guys how I connect my MetaMask and, you know, take part of this testnet. Show you that everything works better than it did with Crashilandia or Hackylandia or even Bitcoin. Because again, people gonna call me crazy when I say this, and I've said it here so many times. Bitcoin failed. Seriously, it did. It did fail. And I know there's going to be a smart one in the comment who is going to ask me, okay, if it failed, why are you holding? Again, I'm holding Bitcoin because the hype is still there. The hype is there. There is no replacement in the minds of people. When people start to realize what Kaspa is, that hype on Bitcoin will die down and it will transfer to Kaspa. Okay, now I know there's gonna be smart people over there in the comment asking me why am I saying this? Okay, simple. Bitcoin, even Michael Saylor, the biggest Bitcoin maxi ever, said it. It was meant to be a peer-to-peer transaction. It was made to be money in the hands of people. Now, according to Michael Saylor, he even pointed it out. Bitcoin failed because as a peer-to-peer money, it doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't. If you're trying to send somebody a portion of your Bitcoin, let's say 0.001 of a Bitcoin, you are going to end up spending more money that the 0.001 Bitcoin is worth. So it's not, is it really feasible? No, it's not. We are not going to do that. Peer-to-peer money is something that is fast, instantaneous, and it's decentralized. That's peer-to-peer money. And now that leads me to Crashilandia. Crashilandia is somehow fast, but not faster than Kaspa. We have seen the comparison. When we go to the decentralization, it is not decentralized. I'm telling you, proof of stake. Okay, being controlled by the VCs and all that, that is not decentralization. Okay, in those two aspects, Kaspa win. And the third aspect, you go to security. Crashilandia is not secure. Again, for the same reason, it's a proof of stake. Okay, it can easily hack them. Okay, so you go to Hackylandia, that one we don't even need to talk about it. It did the unthinkable. It happened. Although they are telling you that it was a big cockroach from Texas by naming one person, and again, somebody with some common sense, you will realize like, nah, it is not that, it's something else. Well, that is a topic that we already discussed, and we will go into further it very soon. I don't want to touch on it because I don't have Kaspa to really compare with it yet. Once Kaspa everything gets up, I will bring them side by side to talk about it. So yeah, nothing right now, nothing is fulfilling that vision that Satoshi had on Bitcoin. Nothing except for Kaspa. And people are not paying attention to it because it's not mainstream. It's not mainstream, and that is showing you how early you are when it comes to these things. Okay, you are very, very early. So yeah, when you try to point these things out, a lot of people don't even realize. People don't realize that yeah, this is what's happening. Okay, this is you are getting that chance that people had when they bought Bitcoin less than a cent, or on a cent, or whatever that the price started. People don't realize it because again, green candle chasing is very, very easy. It's like what kind of analogy can I use? You see these people that usually say, oh, they are going to look at stars, gazing stars. I don't know what they see by staring at the freaking light bulb, but to them it's something. You know, me, I can stare at a star and I don't know what I'm looking at. To me, it's the same light bulb up there. But you see somebody, oh yeah, look at that star. It is shining this, shining. Man, they are all the same. Man, they'll be like, man, that's some bullshit. It's the same thing, okay? It's the same thing right now in the cryptocurrencies. A lot of people see these problems with Ethereum, okay? Solana comes out and solves one little bit. Oh yeah, look at Solana, look at Crashilandia, oh this and that. They know it's the same thing as Ethereum, with just a little bit polish on it. Okay, like I said, man, listen, they are selling you a pig with lipstick on. Let it pass it as a blonde. That's what they do it. There's no difference. But once you see Kaspa come up, okay, once you see Kaspa start to come out and show you that these things, This is the way they are supposed to go. That's what I'm saying. As time goes by, you will realize, even developers will realize, the only chain they need to build on, L2s, L3s, my grandma's project, whatever you want to call it, is Kaspa. It is, okay? I was listening to this podcast, and somebody said, well, you want to tell us that it would not be hacked, it would be hack proof. Listen, nothing is hacked proof, nothing. But so far, I can vouch and I can tell you that proof of work, not just Kaspa, proof of work is way, way secure than proof of stake. Now, there's always going to be bad actors everywhere. Okay, you're not going to see them on Kaspa, but you're going to see them on projects that are going to build on Kaspa. That you will see a lot. That's why while we was doing the live stream, somebody did ask a question about it, and I told you guys, I said, listen, I will not invest in any of those projects until I really know what they are all about. The only 3 projects that I know what they are all about are Igra Lab, Sparkle, and Casplex. If any of them comes out with a token, I am going to invest in it. Again, not financial advice. That is what I will do. What you do is up to you. You understand? I can't sit here and tell you what to do with your money. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. But those 3, I'm looking forward to them because I will invest money in them. Now, when it comes to that, a lot of people, again, they still don't believe it. I said, guys, Casplex L2s are going to open a floodgate, a big floodgate. Now, you're talking about Igra Lab coming with their EVM. That means anything on the Ethereum virtual machine will be able to work on Kaspa. As you can see, another thing the people are not paying attention to is, like, you see layer 2s or even some layer 1s. I don't know if all of them are the same. Layer 1s, they have a different carrier. Okay, like I know for sure that what you call it, crap, there are some layer 1s that use Ethereum as their sequencer. They are you know how they confirm their transactions and all that stuff. There are some layer 1s that use it, and I'm pretty sure a lot of those layer 1s are going to swap sequencers to Kaspa. A lot of them are going to do it. That's what I'm telling you. If you say somebody Kaspa is a $10 coin, they will fight you to the death for it. But when you start to look at all the development going into Kaspa, things that are happening in Kaspa, you start to see the reality of things. You start to see what I have been preaching for, crap, I don't even know how long now. You start to see it happen. And again, a little price action happened. Everybody was, and their grandmama was like falling down and crying. And I told you, I said it's normal. I'm about to show you guys my charts in a second, and you will see it. It's normal. It's already started to go up. Those of you, again, I will show you my Bitcoin chart. And again, the little wink, wink. Let's see how it worked, okay? Because again, things are happening. Everything is happening. Things are going on. And you still see people who are bearish. I have told you time after time, this bull run is way different than the ones that we've seen. Because, one, governments and institutions, they are all in. And again, when they're in on Bitcoin, is because they see it there. It's like they give you a little piece of the candy. You go and taste it. Oh, yeah, that's nice. By the time you come and grab a little bigger piece, they've already changed it to an aspirin pill. By the time you put it in your mouth and you feel the bitterness, it will be too late. They are using this Bitcoin hype to make money from you. You see, oh, Michael Saylor got audited. Oh, this one got audited. Oh, I'm buying Bitcoin. Oh, everybody and their grandmama is buying Bitcoin now. Until that day comes when they are going to drop that hammer on you. I'm telling you guys, it is just written on the wall. It's written. And when things start to happen, don't say I didn't warn you. Okay? Because, like, again, just like my uncle told me today, okay? Uncle Tommy he is at it. I'm telling you, this man is determined. I thought I was much more determined than him, but I can tell you that guy is way determined than me when it comes to him showing how rich he's going to be. Okay? See, guys, this morning, again, when I call home, I usually check on Granny. You know, you got to be a good grandson. You got to check on your Granny or Grandpa every time. So the phone was ringing, and all of a sudden, Grandpa picks up the phone. How you doing, MM? I say, yo, World War II. That's how I call my grandpa. Say, World War II, what's up? And the reason I call him World War II is because he's a survivor from World War II, right? So, and I just go, yo, World War II, what's good? He's like, man, we're trying to watch your Uncle Tommy either pass out or kill himself. I'm like, what? Why are you going to let him do that? He said, man, there's nothing we can do with your uncle. I said, man, you know Uncle T needs some help. He's like, yeah, he needs help losing weight. And that's what he's planning on doing. And I said, how is he going to do that if he still got cheesecakes in his mind? He goes, man, that's a topic that's above my pay rate. I said, huh? What is he doing now? And I could hear Grandma going down, go, Tommy, go, Tommy. You got one more mile. No, Tommy, go. And I go, what the hell? Can you go down there? Let me look. So he goes down, and Uncle Tommy, mind you, overweight, right? You guys already know my Uncle T. He has this treadmill. He has this treadmill going at almost 8 miles an hour and trying to keep up. I mean, when I say disgusting was one thing, and well, so that I know I don't offend a lot of people, but it was everywhere. Imagine this everything jiggling up and down while he's trying to run at full speed on a treadmill going almost 10 miles per hour. I was like, God damn. God damn. and exactly what I was saying is, he missed a step and there he goes flying. I didn't know these little treadmills, they had that much power. Man, he went flying. Well, you know what? I think it's best if I show you, right? It's best if I show you. Give me a second. Look at this. Look at him right there. He tried to run, but his motivation, he was like, man, Uncle T, what are you doing? Why you still got a cheesecake? You trying to lose weight. You're like, man, I'm trying to imagine myself running towards that cheesecake before it disappeared. I was like, God damn, Uncle T. Why can't you imagine something else? Like a Bentley, like you're trying to catch up to a Bentley, or maybe you're trying to get what? Anything else. Like imagine some way better than you're trying to catch up to cheesecake. You go like, man, none of that motivates me a lot. And I was just laughing my ass out when he fell off the treadmill, came back on it, got on it again. Like, man, he's motivated, right? So those are the kind of things, like I'm trying to tell you guys, when you know exactly where Kaspa is going, how much money you are going to be making for generational wealth, it's no brainer. Okay, you're gonna stick with Crashilandia. Again, I told you, those L1s, we are going to see how they're going to perform once the king gets everything going. So do not sit there and base your investment whether developers leaving or whatever they're doing. Guys, developers leave and come anytime. And plus, Shy is not completely leaving Kaspa. He's just stepping away from decision making and all those publishing and all that stuff on the X account and stuff like that. Because I understand. When I tell you understand, the man can be sometimes, view his opinions differently. Okay, I know a lot of you in the community, you guys don't agree with the way he does stuff. But again, everybody's free to do whatever they like. It's a free world. Okay, don't be over there trying to judge people just because they don't do stuff the way you want them done. Okay, I know a lot of people that judge me for having my channel. I know some people even I got a guy who got mad because I had a live stream. Again, it is my channel. If I wish to go live, I will go live. If you don't like it, man, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. So it's the same thing with Shy. He's a grown-ass man. He can speak whatever he wants to do. If he decides to speak Hindu today, I will clap. Be like, yeah, well done. Everybody, you are free, man. This is a free world. You can't just wake up one day and say, you know what, you are going to miss out of millions and millions of dollars just because somebody is tweeting or texting this. Make some sense out of it. Okay, so don't be that kind of people. You are not investing in Kaspa because of a developer. No, you are investing in Kaspa because of the potential that thing has and what it could make for you. Okay, so anyways, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. To do that, let's grab our good friend Crypto Bubbles. This one right here. You see, that's what I was telling you. What's happening to Bitcoin? Bitcoin has started to make that leg up, because I gave you a wink wink. That date is coming, right? My green line. And what's happening? Bitcoin moving, all coins are moving. So all of you waiting for money to trickle down, you are going to miss out. That's well, you'll find out. You will find out once it happens. And don't say I didn't warn you, okay? Don't say I didn't warn you. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's start first with the king. Let's get King Kaspa, K-A-S. And it's this guy right here. For the past hour, we are letting flat, no movement. On the day, Kaspa is up 5.2%. I told you that resistance now support. Okay, 14.5% down on the week, 1.1% down on the month, and 38.1% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.40 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $57.32 million. Again, look at that. It's very low. That volume is low. Okay, look at Quan QNT, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. Look at that. I told you, we're in alt season. I don't know what you've been looking at, but yeah. For the past hour, Quant is up 1.2%, 8.1% up on the day, 0.1% down on the week, 29.1% up on the month, and 22.3% up in the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.63 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $22.98 million. Again, look at that yearly. I kept telling you, you see how it is taking off, right? Don't say I didn't warn you. But anyways, looking at Jasmy, JAS, the Japanese Bitcoin, that's the only one that is still doing bad because it's catching up to Bitcoin. For the past hour, 0.2% down, 2.5% up on the day. See, Bitcoin is going up today. Jasmine is picking up. 13.4% down on the week, 1.5% down on the month, and 57.2% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $749.23 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $28.72 million. Again, that volume is too low. Now, looking at Cubic, we have here high risk, high reward, 0.6% down the last hour, 2.3% up on the day, 3.9% down on the week, 7.1% up on the month, and 61.4% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $177.22 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $1.81 million. Again, Bitcoin is doing its thing, right? Now we look at the big orange guy. This is why Jasmine has started to move. Like I told you, they are heavily correlated. I don't know why, but that's what it is. For the past hour, Bitcoin is laying flat, 2.1% up on the day, 3.4% down on the week, 11.8% up on the month, and 57.3% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.12 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $26.34 billion. You see, that's what I'm telling you guys. Watch Bitcoin and you can tell the movement of everything. That's why I usually give you that cheat code almost at the end of my charts, because if you can't guarantee where Bitcoin is going, you can also guarantee where the utility coins, selected all coins, are going to do. So yeah, pay attention, right? I'm glad a lot of you are making money when I tell you this, because like I get inboxes, I get some people telling me thank you, they could turn little money into big money. The biggest I've seen is this guy that told me that by following my wink wink, you know, he has been able to turn $2,000 into $37,000. So I was like, yeah, congratulations. That's the whole point of me doing this stuff. But anyways, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the prices in details, okay? To do that, we are going to need our good friend TradingView, which is this guy right there. Okay, what is this? Come on. Now we see first the correlation. Like I usually tell you guys, this is not a good sign. Dixie and the Bitcoin going up at the same time is not good. One has to give. Hopefully it is the Dixie that is going to give, or else, yeah, you're going to have a little lower price action, although I doubt it. Okay, we are getting closer and closer to my green line. So anyways, now let's go look at the Kaspa first. This is what I was telling you guys yesterday. Okay, you see, Kaspa did a perfect retest, and now we're bouncing. And like I told you, look at the ribbon. Did you see? It has turned green and is full power mode upwards. I usually say it, my TA does not involve rocket science. It's just as simple as it comes. And as you can see, just like I told you, that's what's happening. All of you waiting for 1 cent Kaspa, 5 cents Kaspa, I don't think you are going to get it. Yeah, I don't think you will. But anyways, now as you can see, price is going up. Okay, we have a target to meet. And then if you go on the 4 hourly, you will see exactly again, like I was telling you guys yesterday, ribbon was beginning to spray out. When it does this, it usually be showing sign that it's about to start curving. And then by the time it turns green, price will be higher, way higher than a lot of people were expecting. Okay, but yeah, that's exactly what's happening now. Look at the ribbon. When I zoom it, you will see it's already start to curve upwards, and then you will see it squeezing into that point before it turns green. Now if you look at the moving average, you will see also it's also coming closer to the price. This thing usually act like this and then act as support for the price to go even higher. Now if you look at it on the daily, you will see, like, see, I told you, despite all this bearish price action, ribbon was still green and it was pointing upwards. Okay, look at it again. The first daily candle is now green after major retesting our resistance now into support. So yeah, Kaspa is going. Don't say I didn't warn you. And the price targets are there. As simple as that. Like I said, my TA does not involve too much. I just give you 1 and 2 things, and then you can go from there. As you guys can see, that was a falling wedge, got tested. Now, yeah, we are going. Price target is simple. First target is going to be that 15 cents. After that, we do have 18 cents. After that, 19 cents. And right after that, we do have all-time high. For those of you who knows exactly how Kaspa usually go, Kaspa usually like break all-time high and go even higher. Okay, going to price discovery. Though, yeah, it's about to happen. Things are it's about to happen right in front of you. Okay, don't say I did not warn you. Now, this is quant on the hourly, just like we spoke about yesterday, and a lot of you did not pay attention, because if you did, you would have seen this coming. Quant forming a nice W. Like I told you, yesterday ribbon was red, but it was still going upwards, as you guys can see. If you take the target, which is the white line, let me zoom out a little bit, and you will see, and put it on the breakout point, you will see that, yeah, quant is going up. Let's see on the 4 hourly. Let's see if we can see where it's going right here. Now I think I'll have to go a little higher. Let's go on the daily. Let's see, daily. No, I think I'll have to go a little higher. But anyways, if you look at it on the 4 hourly, you will see exactly like I was telling you guys. Look, even with the price action going down, the ribbon was still green and it was squeezing, and you can see right now it has begun to go upwards, which means a lot of bullish momentum breaking out from this W pattern. Just like I said, depends on how you look at stuff. My TA is not based on rocket science or a lot of other stuff, but right here, just move it and it keeps going. If you look at it, I think we're going to see better on the weekly. Let's see on the weekly. See, on the weekly, look at it right now. We took the white line, put it on the breakout, and you can see, let me bring my arrow out right quick. And you can see that the target is right there, $134. Once we complete that, I think it's going to trickle and then come back to probably 125 and bounce up to go meet the target of the yellow line, which is right there, 147, probably overshoot to that $141. So that's what I am looking at. I think that's what it's going to do. So yeah, a lot of people are still bearish on quant. When you don't know, I told you guys, like, development was over with. Okay, it's time for price action, and it has already started to show. One of the biggest thing I see on it is, like, on the weekly, see how the ribbon still red but it's curving upwards. Now it's squeezing. This thing is about to turn green to give it even more momentum. And we know price target here after that 151, we do have 164, and after that is 176. We are looking for a daily candle to close above 176, and this thing will start looking to probably $250, $300, and right after that, all-time high will be in very, very fast. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because, again, if you pay attention, we're talking about the market is about to take that leg up between July, August. Is that leg up is about to happen. It has already started. So yeah, I do not wait for price confirmation before I open up my trade, because you guys already see my trades every day. So yeah, that leg up is about to happen. I am very curious to see how far and how fast quant is going to go. So it's already showing the signs. This thing is already taking off. But anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. You guys already know, for me, Jasmine does the same as Bitcoin. So Jasmine is not going to outrun Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin taking off, Jasmine is also going to take off. Wow, look at quant. That's quant going. But anyways, now let's go here. Come on, and look at Jasmine, JASMY, and look at Jasmine USDT, and that's what we say. I was telling you guys, like, do not pay attention to the price action of Jasmine, because as soon as Bitcoin takes off, Jasmine is about to go. So far, Jasmine is forming an inverse head and shoulders, if you guys know what it is, because if you look at the price action, you will see that you have the first shoulder, then a little lower, the head, now the other right shoulder. So yeah, this thing is it's a very bullish momentum. And I was telling you guys too, pay attention to the ribbon, right? Ribbon is already curving off, and on the hourly it's already started to turn green, which means, yeah, bullish momentum coming into this. Now if you look at it on the 4 hourly, even better. See, just the same situation that Kaspa was in yesterday, and I was telling you, when it starts to spray out like this, the ribbon, even though it is still red, it's about to start curving up, and that's what we're looking at right now. Ribbon is curving. This price action is about to take off to that probably 1.7, 1.8 of a cent. That's what it is looking at. So if you look at it on the daily, you will see the same thing, right? I told you, even with the price going down, ribbon was still facing upwards and it was still green, right? So excuse me. So yeah, it was still green, and you guys can see it is squeezing, and down the next daily candle, which is today, is already turning green. So yeah, well, we are looking at the price action for this thing to start to go up very, very soon. Now for me, I said there's not much time to waste on Jasmine. Okay, there's not much time to waste on it. It's just following Bitcoin, and all we have to do is sit tight and watch, see this thing go up. Okay, first target 2.3 cents. After that we do have 3.8 cents, and right after that we do have the 4.5 cents. So yeah, this thing is taking up the way I was expecting it to do. So yeah, all I have to do is just watch Bitcoin, and you see whatever Bitcoin does, Jasmine is about to do in the magnitude of 10. That's what's going to happen. But anyways, now let's go look at the big orange guy itself. Okay, the big orange guy, Bitcoin, and bam, there you go. I told you, we are approaching that my green line. You see, and once we go past that green line, you're about to see Bitcoin take off aggressively. Okay, so yeah, everybody and their grandmama was, yeah, bearish news, blah blah blah, this is happening, and it's that simple. Pay attention to the ribbon. What was it doing? Going upwards, right? Even if you look at it on the 4 hourly, look, 4 hourly, the same situation with Kaspa, same situation with quant, the same situation. Even price was going down, ribbon was curving, and I told you, when it start to spray it out, that means about to curve up. It's about to start going up. Now look, we are approaching my line, just like we just left my purple line, and that thing crashed down. Right now you see we are approaching my purple line, and this thing is about to take off. Now until we get to June 11, this price is going to run upwards. Okay, don't say I didn't warn you. That's me. If you want to, you can take advantage of this and trade it if you want to. Not your financial advisor anyways. Now if you go look at it on the daily, you will see again, as we approach, because I told you guys, okay, pay attention. Pay attention, it is coming. As we approached it, you can see exactly as we're going, right? See, it's about to touch it. Once we touch that line, that thing is going to take off. Okay, don't say I didn't warn you. Some people make money with this, congratulations. Others, they make fun of it and then realize, like, yeah, I think I was right at the end. As you guys can see, it's about to go. Again, it's up to you. You can do with this information what you want, how you want, and if you want. Okay, so it is coming. Don't say I didn't warn you. That usually be the part that sometimes, okay, it kind of pisses me off sometimes. I don't know exactly what you want me to do. I'm not going to tell you go in, go out. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to go into Fibonacci's and be like our good friend Trumpicius, Margex, Alakazam, Ping Pang. No, I'm not going to do that. All I'm going to do is give you hints. I'll show you my charts. If you're smart enough, like a bunch of people that I know who turn, like this guy, excuse me, like this guy who turned $400 into $5,000 just by listening and following my tips. He did that. The other one who turned $2,000 into 30-something thousand dollars just by listening. And the biggest one I've seen who also told me about it and showed it to me, again, I can't show you private messages. He turned, I think it was $5,000 into almost $70,000. Okay, by doing that. So people are doing it. People are using it. I'm not saying you should go and do it. You need to get experience. That's why I always said this. We're about to look at my positions, but please, before you even try this, please make sure that you do have experience. Okay, experience in in leverage trading, because if you don't, you are about to be the mayor of Rake City. Okay, the mayor of Rake City. I'm telling you this. Okay, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at my positions. Yeah, first we're gonna start first on Bydfi. You guys already know here I am trading King Kaspa and Quant. My overall today, I am still sitting at 14,500 despite all the bad price movement that is going on in the markets right now. Okay, and after that, let's go look at the contract, see how the contracts are doing. So here, you first of all look at Kaspa. I am still down 51%, which is $4,600. On Quant, I am up 14%, which is $1,500. You guys already know I am an aggressive trader. You can look at it and you can pause it and look at my numbers. Okay, everything is going according to plan. Yeah, sorry I got to rush, but I got to get out of here in a second. The next one is going to be Phemex. On Phemex, you guys already know I'm trading King Kaspa and the Japanese Bitcoin. My overall today, I am still sitting at $8,900. If you look at my contracts, you will see that first on Jasmine, I am down 70%, which is $7,700. And on Kaspa, I am up 7%, which is $330. Okay. Now, last but not the least, we go look at Wix Exchange. On Wix, you guys know I am in a competition using Quant, because I am trying to prove to my friends that you can make more money using Quant than using than using the Crashilandia. Today, I am up $6,300, as you guys can see. Okay, I told you I'm not worried about it. I know exactly what I'm doing in my trades. Okay, if you go look at my contracts, you will see here that on Quant I am up 177%, which is $2,300, and on my Kaspa I am up 18%, which is $340 approximately. So yeah, it is happening, and everything is happening just like I told you guys. You can pause my videos if that's what you wish to do, and you will see that, yeah, I trade at 50x in all my positions. Psychology of money, right? 6 positions, and let's see how much we're gonna make from all of them. And like I told you guys, yeah, July, August, pay attention to that. Okay, so please do not base your investment on somebody tweeting or somebody writing or texting or that. That is a recipe for failure. Okay, developers are going to come and go. That's what is going to happen, because we already know Bitcoin failed very, very badly at what it was supposed to do, and its replacement is Kaspa. It might not happen right away, but it's going to happen. Okay, that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. I am very interested in knowing what you think about everything that we spoke about today. And also don't forget to share, so that other millionaire-minded people like you and I, okay, can see these videos and the family can grow. Okay, you never know. I'm telling you, you never know what you're going to learn from a stranger. That being said, guys, until I see you in my next one, please
take very good care of yourselves, okay? Bye-bye.